Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier designed for basements and home moisture control is a game changer for anyone struggling with excess humidity. This compact appliance is particularly effective in areas prone to dampness, like basements, bedrooms, and living rooms. Its sleek design allows it to blend seamlessly into any decor, while its functionality makes it a vital addition to your home. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its robust water tank, which can hold a significant amount of moisture, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Depending on the model, the tank typically has a capacity of around 1.5 liters, allowing it to run for several hours before requiring attention. The transparent tank design is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to monitor water levels at a glance. Moreover, the unit is equipped with an automatic shut-off feature that activates when the tank is full, preventing overflow and ensuring worry-free operation. The noise level of this device is impressively low, making it suitable for nighttime use in bedrooms without disrupting your sleep. It operates silently while effectively extracting moisture from the air, creating a more comfortable living environment. Users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality, decreased mustiness, and a reduction in allergens such as mold and mildew. The dehumidifier also features adjustable settings to cater to specific needs, allowing users to choose their desired humidity level. The energy-efficient design means it won't significantly increase your electricity bill, which is a huge plus for budget-conscious consumers. In terms of maintenance, the filter is easy to access and clean, ensuring long-lasting performance. Overall, this dehumidifier is a reliable, efficient, and quiet solution to combat humidity in your home. If you're looking to improve air quality and create a healthier living environment, this dehumidifier is an investment worth considering.